Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Dogelon Mars has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart. And after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, imminently it also broke out another up channel as well. You can see when it was moving inside this previous wedge, we found the support and resistance of the channel at that time. We got stable ejections by the resistance and stable bounces from the support as well. And now we have broken out this resistance of the channel and this quite long-term resistance of 250 as well that has been previously breaking as a very long-term support for several weeks or months here. And now for the past several weeks or months, it was working as a resistance. And right now, Dogelon is trying to break out this downtrend line resistance. You can see we got two rejections here, one more rejection here. And now it is again struggling to break out this resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past 4 days, it is struggling to break out this downtrend line resistance, and at the same time it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 3793 as well that has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And at the same time it is also struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Sleepless AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 16th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see since after the month of October 2021, it was moving inside this wedge. You can see we got stable ejections here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and stable ejections here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and almost 5 rejections we got here. And finally, we broke out the resistance. In fact, we were ejected here as well. And finally here, in the previous week, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And imminently, we have also broken out this resistance of the up channel as well. You can see we found the support and resistance of this previous up channel when it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. We got rejection here, we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, rejection, 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 and bounce here. And finally, the price line has broken out the resistance of this up channel. And now it is starting to break out this long-term down trend line resistance that was previously breaking out the resistance here. And now for the past 3 or 4 days, you can see that the price line is struggling to break out this resistance. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance, approximately at 3793. That had been previously breaking out the resistance here and resistance here as well. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see since it has appeared, it is working at a very strong resistance. Right now, we have broken out the resistance, the lower band's resistance of this cloud, and it is trying to break out at this time this upper band. And after breaking out this cloud, I'm expecting a very, very massive pump. And this cloud can also break at a long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this up channel is, by the way, here. That is, you can see showing us a projection beyond these 2 resistance levels, even 3 resistance levels, the resistance of the Ichimoku bearish cloud and this downtrend line resistance, and this resistance of 3793. That is approximately at 4427. We have this target 0.000000 4427. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge. That is 5 times 0, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.